And what is up, guys? Welcome back to Crypto Infinity YouTube channel. Today we are checking out a project called XSPA. It is a revolutionary crypto wallet, one of the new kinds that are here to help a lot of people navigate their way in the crypto space. Available for both of the platforms, iOS and Android option available. I will show you full process, how to check it out, how to grab it, setting up the account and all the benefits that this wallet is offering. If you're interested in learning more about it, you should definitely stay tuned. We're on the website. One really important thing that I want to point out before we start checking this project out is that this video itself is not financial advice. Don't take this as one. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm creating this video for education purpose only. If you're thinking about checking, joining or investing into any crypto project, definitely first do your own deep research. Really important for me to say that. Now we can continue straight in and check it out. Revolution in crypto wallets called XSPA or XSPA, so XSPA, full name, one of the new wallets available over here. I created and I will show you a demonstration of how the whole process is looking out, available on both of the platforms, iOS and Android. It has really great features built in, beautiful dashboard, everything is easy to navigate. We will not lose much time on the website. Let's jump straight in with the full demonstration. Starting over here, so you can search XSPA on iOS, on the Android phones also, so Play products is there and you can find this, how it is looking, as you can see right away. Couple of seconds for it to download, and now we are setting up the account. You can see they are having really great speed. Signing up process is extremely simple. You can use, as you can see, all of these options found over there. Google account, easy and simple. There is no seed phase. After you connect your account, you are creating the 6-digit password. Important to have it, those two confirmations, and you're ready to start. Easily and great dashboard with all the assets, and also you have option for swapping, buying and cross-chain bridging. You can switch between different blockchains. You can buy directly, you can buy with fiat. There is option to buy with fiat, as you can see over here, euro to Polygon, connect your card and do that way. Also, it can be reversed, so sending crypto on your fiat wallets. Easy and simple. All of the coins are available over here, as you can see, notification bar, wallet stats, watch list. So as the user, you have opportunity to follow the people over here that you think are good, changing the theme, all descriptions, everything is found here. Seamless dashboard. And also, guys, if you're interested in checking it out, a great thing would be to give them the review. They have just started and reviews are really important. This you can test it out, of course, first. After that, if you like it, leave the review and tell them what you think about it. Everything implemented, all the assets, buying with fiat, transporting and changing crypto into fiat, cross-bridge payments, so different networks supported. Also, as a power user, you can add up to 50 wallets, and that is how you can follow your favorite users on watch list. This revolution is really something unique, and in the world where crypto wallets are popping all over the place, we have really low amount that is truly greatly crafted. It has real potential and can help you and make your crypto journey easier. Checking out through their project itself, we can see that they have just started and created their token called XSPA token. Very transparent and fully circulated. It will be, of course, the utility token, which is truly great. Fair launch fairly, no team treasury, no vesting schedule, 100% of the token already are in circulation. So this will say itself will be utility token. Their community is awesome. You can see over here App Store, on Google Chrome, on Google Store you can also find it. Easy and simple to use. Their community is bigger and bigger all the time. There are a lot of people that are starting and getting started with XSPA or XSPA, and also, as you can see, they have the universe. Also, there is a lot of things. Their open chat on Telegram, their X profile, there is Instagram profile. Also, there is everything. I think you can find real possibility in this project out. Great tool for everyone who are into crypto space. Let me know what you think about all of this down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And one thing that I always love to see on the end of every single video, I'll be seeing you guys in the next one.